Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you play crossroad blues on guitar. We'll begin by mastering the essential E, A, and B7 chords, which form the backbone of this iconic blues tune. Understanding the 12-bar blues progression is key, so we'll cover that next. Focus on smooth transitions between these three fundamental chords to build a solid foundation for the song. This initial step is crucial for developing your rhythm and feel. Next, we'll dive into the song's most recognizable element, the main riff. This iconic slide guitar lick is played in standard tuning and gives crossroad blues its distinctive sound. Pay close attention to the rhythm and timing, as these are crucial for capturing the authentic blues feel. You'll typically use your index finger for the slide on the G string, moving between the 3rd and 5th frets. Practice this slowly to ensure precision. Now, let's focus on the rhythm and strumming patterns that bring this blues classic to life. Developing a consistent strumming pattern is essential for maintaining the song's groove. We'll incorporate a shuffle rhythm, which is characteristic of many blues tunes, to give it that authentic feel. Also, practice muting techniques to add percussive elements and enhance your overall rhythmic precision. This will make your playing sound much more dynamic. Finally, it's time to put all the pieces together and play the full song. Combine the chords, the main riff, and the rhythm patterns you've learned into a cohesive performance. Remember to focus on dynamics and expression. These elements truly bring the music to life. Consistent, regular practice is key to building both speed and accuracy, allowing you to play crossroad blues with confidence and flair. Enjoy the journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.